Hey guys and girls, we're going into week 10 for this is going to be a deload week. So quite honestly, um, you should actually feel kind of refreshed at the end of this week. We're not really gonna push you too hard. Everything is probably under 70% or 70% or below. So as you can see on Monday, first strength movement is going to be the deadlift. We're going 5 at 40%, 5 at 50%, 5 at 60 to 70%. Uh, going to be a correction on this. It's going to be 5 at 60% and then 5 at 70%. So we're doing 4 sets of 5 reps, and the highest we're going is 70%. So it's a deload. And then we're going into a clean and jerk every minute on a minute for 6 minutes at 60%. Not really too concerned about the weight on these. If you're relatively new, just really focus on your technique. Even if you're just using an empty bar or a PVC pipe, this is all about efficiency on the every minute on a minute movements. Conditioning, we're going to go with 3 rounds, 100 single rope, 100 single unders. It's jump rope. It's just 100 jump rope. It's kind of funny because I guarantee it's going to throw a lot of people off because they've been so used to doing double unders for so long that when they start doing single jump rope, they're going to be kind of like, you know, it's going to catch you by surprise. So 3 rounds, 100 single unders, 50 double unders. If you're not really good at the double unders, let's just put a cap on it and basically for a solid 2 minutes, just keep attempting to get double unders, and then go back to your single jump rope. Can't even say it right. 3 rounds of that. A little extra credit afterwards on your own. Grab a rower, do a 1,000-meter row. Again, you're gonna look at this and go, "Wow, that's really not a lot." Purposely, we're not really trying to crush you this week. If you've been consistent, you're going to be welcoming this deload week. If you haven't been consistent, you just follow the protocol because next week we're going to try to max out on the lifts. Tuesday, strength, same thing. You're going right through 5 at 40, 5 at 50, 5 at 60, 5 at 70. And then we're going to try to go with a full snatch every minute on a minute for 6 minutes. If you're a little bit more advanced, you're going for about 60%, which ain't a lot. Technique should look great. If you're having a very difficult time going into a full snatch, do a power snatch, maybe go into an overhead squat. Or if you're having a problem with that, just do a power snatch. Actually, I take that back. I want you to go into a full squat. I don't care if you're just using a broomstick. Let's go super light and just work on your technique. Coaches are going to be there paying attention, so you're going to get a little bit of coaching on this, and hopefully we'll make you a little bit more efficient at the end of the session. Conditioning, 3 rounds for time, 10 strict knee to elbow if you have it. If not, get a little kip in it, that's fine. 10 power snatch, RX plus 155 or 105, RX 95 or 65, or you can go lighter. And then going back to 10 strict knee to elbow, 10 burpees, doing that for 3 rounds. Wednesday, our favorite day, 45-minute sustainable pace. So usually we say Z1, now we're going to Z2. Pump it up just a little tiny bit. You could talk, not out of breath. Well, you're going to be out of breath, but you're going to be able to talk, that kind of a pace, conversational pace. You're going to go 500-meter row, 400-meter run, 50 double unders, 20-calorie air assault. Let's keep going through that for 45 minutes. Thursday, strength, 5, 5, 5, 5 on the back squat. Then we're going to conditioning, 10 rounds for time, 7 sumo deadlift high pulls, 95 or 65, 7 front squats, same weight, 7 push jerks, same weight, 10 rounds. Friday, bench press, the deload, 5, 5, 5, 5. And then a fun little workout, the conditioning is On a 3-minute clock, 3 power cleans, 155, 105 for advanced, 135.95 for RX. We're looking for fast, unbroken power cleans from the floor each time. Modify it if you have to. You're going all out, and then you're going to sprint 50 meters. I may actually change this to 100 meters, which I'm actually going to do that. So we're going to sprint 100 meters. We're going to repeat that 6 times. So bottom line is you have a 3-minute clock. The faster you get done, the more rest you have. You should be gassed at the end of this. You are basically doing 3 cleans, power cleans, and you're sprinting 100 meters. Guys, make sure you get a warm-up, good warm-up on this. I'm not looking for anybody to get a hamstring injury. Coaches are going to make sure you get a good warm-up in. We're only going to do a deload on a bench, and then we're going to do this. It's going to take 18 minutes, less than 18 minutes actually, because you're not going to have to, do the full 3 minutes at the last set. That's pretty much it. Any questions, go ahead and let us know, and we'll be more than happy to answer them. And hope you guys have a good training week. Like I said, be prepared next week. You're going to be doing a max out on all the barbell movements. Hopefully you guys were consistent with the programming, because if you were, you're going to see something. Hopefully we're going to see some good PRs. If you're just jumping in, you just joined the gym, and you're not, you didn't get to follow the entire program, that's okay, because then that way we get to kind of see where your benchmark lifts are at. Bench press, shoulder press, strict shoulder press, deadlift, and back squat. Now we're going to get an idea of what your 1 rep maxes are at. Have a great week, and I'll see you guys.